everybody, and we are back here on Love Nikki again, of course. Okay, so today, well, tonight now, because I procrastinated, I waited too long. Anyway, tonight is a very exciting night for me. I have a lot to do on here. Not really a lot, but I have some stuff to do that I want to do, and I'm just really excited, and I want to share with everybody that watches my videos, which right now I know it's not a lot of people, but someday I swear, okay? I am still just a little sick, so my voice is just a little in and out, here and there, so whatever you want to say, so bear with me, please. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is talk about the new event, Bell Tower. Okay, so this event is okay. I'm happy about it, but I'm not ecstatic. So here's the girl suit, and this one will cost you 240 diamonds only. So prepare for some cheap prices for once, okay? And then this male suit will cost you 420 diamonds. But together they will cost 1,680 diamonds, which still is not bad at all, considering it's two suits and the events that we've had lately were very expensive. Okay, so I've already done some of this because I'm a little late and it's actually been going on for a day or two. But I'm going to show you anyway, in case you don't know. So I've already answered these. You know, you can go to, and I probably say this a lot, but you can go to Nikki's info. It's a website, and they give you, you know, suits that you can use for any event possible, and just everything for higher scores. If you want to be top scoring, you know, you can see all the items that you can use or items that you need to get. And they also put quiz answers on their site. So yeah, I think just go to latest events and it should be there. But I've already answered the quiz questions for today. So here are the stages. I already have my suit ready to go because I've been through this. Okay, best score. Let's see what I threw on. Oh wow, she is a mess. And what was this? I think it was gorgeous and elegant. Okay, classical, elegant clothing and style of Pigeon Empire, which, yeah, I guess I didn't really do that, but oh wow, my skills are here. They're usually not on my laptop. These are the skills that I use for everything. I love these skills. I don't know why. I don't know. It helps me. But, you know, pick the skills that you like. The ones that you want to use. I personally like skills that will just give me a higher score in general. So I use Smile and Charming, and to counteract with the other opponent, I use Critical Eye and Sleeping. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but okay. There's the other one. Not bad. Since I will be spending diamonds on this one anyway, I will do this. This one was gorgeous and elegant, beautiful dancing dress. Best score, and get dressed. Okay. Oh no, okay. Here's a tip. If you use Charming, try to use it on a very high score. because it raises by a percentage. So try to use that on the highest score that you can. It doesn't always work, but you know, at least try. Okay. Now I can do this. And the last one, it's a little Momo. Momo is the devil, by the way. I'm sorry, but I do not like Momo. He lies to me all the time in Stylist Arena. And he's a little twerp because he makes you go get everything. This one is warm and cute. So I just clicked on all the warm and cute items and then went through the cute items and went through the warm items. You know, get dressed. I'm sorry if like my audio is weird. I don't know why, but my computer isn't playing anything through my headset. But it's recording through my headset. I don't understand it, but I'm just going with it. Okay, apparently I completed quests. When did I do this? Okay. Should I go ahead and exchange for something? I think I'll just wait until the last day or something. I don't know if I want to get this suit yet, but I'm definitely getting this suit because of all the cool stuff in the background and the ground. So I'm definitely getting that one. And I may just get the back piece to the other one. Okay. Oh my goodness. So this pavilion, I've been waiting for this for so long, and I'm literally so excited that it is finally here in Lovnicki. Okay. It was in, I think, 2 other servers. I saw it in 2 other servers. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is so adorable. Why don't we have it? And I just kind of threw a fit in my bed and went crazy and cried. But we finally have it. And I've, as you can see, I've already spent some diamonds on it. But guess what I'm going to be doing today? I'm going to be spending more diamonds on it because I love it so much. That's actually what I did with this one right here when it came out. Oh, I spent diamonds on it, and well, I'm at 51. Okay, now I'm at 51 out of 58. Oh my goodness, finally. Oh no, I need one more item. Okay. I guess I will go through and do these. Because I apparently did not do them earlier. Okay, that's it. I'm actually a little scared now, but since it's at such a good discount, let's just go right in. Okay, so it's at 24. I only got one new thing. Ah! Okay, no big deal, no big deal. It's okay. Let's go again. Oh my goodness, okay. This time I got 5 new things. Oh, I love this makeup. Oh my goodness. Ooh, mist. Okay, okay. Should I go again? I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to anyway. Oh, I only got one new item. Oh, it's a headpiece. Ah. Okay. I think I'll do one more time. One more time. Let's hope we get a lot. I only got one new item. It's okay. At least I got something new. Alright. I think I'm gonna have to call it quits. I'd like to see what's in the store though. What can I buy? Shoes? Are there any shoes? You know what I want? I want the dragon. I think I'm gonna get the dragon because I really want it and I haven't gotten it. I'm getting the dragon. Okay. I can't really get anything else that I want right now, but that's okay. I will eventually do more pulls, maybe. You know, maybe just my free pulls, but more pulls. Okay. Right. 50 diamonds? 80 diamonds? Wow. Okay. Okay. I think it's time now. Alright. So I'm already recharged 100 diamonds because those were 99-cent Zodiac packs. And I didn't really feel like leaving them in my mailbox. So I just went ahead and I claimed them. So I need up to 3,100 diamonds. Now, I recently, and by recently I mean like yesterday, I purchased some Amazon coins to spend on Love Nikki. Now, here's a tip. This is how I save money, and I'm not joking. Like, this is really, like, it's such a big help. Hashtag not spons. Just saying. So if you buy 300 Amazon coins, it will cost you $2.97. Sorry about the stammer. So you only save 1%, alright? But you save 3 pennies. But moving up, here, if you purchase 500 Amazon coins, you save 2%, and it costs you $4.90. You save 10 cents, and 1,000, 2,500. It's 17%, and 5,000, 18%, $41 for 5,000 Amazon coins. This is $50 right here. That's $50 in Love Nikki, and you save $9, 18%, and right here, 19% costs $81 for something that should cost $100. So you save $19. And finally, the 50,000 Amazon coin slot costs $400. You save 20%, so you save $100, so you don't have to pay $500 for it. And I did not know this at first, but it's absolutely amazing. And if you have Amazon Prime, which I do not, but if you do, then you can save even more money, because they have this thing, I guess, where you can get coins back, I think, every month. I mean, I don't think it's anything huge, but obviously the more you spend, the more, I guess, coins that you'll get back every month. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, time to recharge. So I've already done 100, but I mean, I plan on like recharging anyway, so it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to do the $50 recharge today because I want to save as many coins as I can. I was going to do this one, but I'm just going to save the rest of my coins for future suits, future recharges. So yeah, I will be right back because I can't recharge on my laptop because I didn't download this from Amazon. But I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, time to claim this stuff. Okay, so first is the suit. Oh, okay. I didn't mean to clean that right now, but alright. So, if you participate in this, I guess past the first tier, you get bonus diamonds, which is the only reason I'm participating in this. So there's some bonus diamonds for that. And bonus diamonds for the other ones. So, I wonder, because I did not do the math for this one. If you, let's see, if you complete this whole thing, you will get 3,100 diamonds, I think. Don't quote me on that, please. I'm awful at math. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I'm so happy. My diamonds are up again. I wasn't going to make top 20 in the Stylish Arena, so I just gave up on the last day of that because I just once again was wasting thousands of diamonds trying to be in the top 20, which I guess will just never happen for me. Alright, and 40 diamonds for this suit. That's awesome. I'm so glad it's more than 30 diamonds. I have these, but I'm not worried about those because they don't have the new suit in it, which, I mean, she's, to be honest, I don't like her that much. Oh, okay. I don't like her that much because she's a little plain. But I just want her just to have her. I don't know, it's a thing with me. I'm obsessed with the Zodiac packs. I've gotten these 2 suits from it already, and I don't know, I just want that one just to collect it. Okay. Yeah. I think that is it. Bye!